To log in to MetaMask on another device, you will need to follow a series of steps that ensure the security and integrity of your account. First, make sure you have the MetaMask extension installed on the new device. If not, download and install it from the official MetaMask website or your browser's extension store. Next, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar and select Import Wallet. This option allows you to access your existing wallet on the new device. You will be prompted to enter your secret recovery phrase, which is a list of words that you should have written down and stored safely when you first created your MetaMask wallet. Enter your secret recovery phrase in the correct order, separated by spaces. This phrase is used to restore your wallet and access your accounts, so it is crucial that you keep it safe and do not share it with anyone. After entering your recovery phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for the wallet on this device. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before, and make sure to store it safely. Once you have completed these steps, you will be logged in to your MetaMask wallet on the new device. You can now access your accounts, send and receive cryptocurrency, and interact with decentralized applications. It is essential to remember that your secret recovery phrase is the key to your wallet, and losing it may result in the loss of your funds. Always store your recovery phrase in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely log in to your MetaMask wallet on another device and manage your cryptocurrency accounts with confidence.